That is right, guys. We're back playing Quick Draw once more. Let me fix that. I know we have not got an intro for on this. I'm trying to make one. I kind of want like one for mobile and one for obviously PC, because then you'll like be like, oh, he's playing on mobile, or oh, he's playing on PC. But anyway, I might just add a PC and mobile, but. I have to send it to my phone and everything, and by the rate that I'm making videos on the channel now, it won't work, so, like, let's draw, right, I'm gonna use the mouse, grass, right, so this is kind of the dirt, come on, what the...
Or the Great Wall of China.
China? How they...
Or bridge. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Right, a cloud. This should be easy.
I see rainbow. Or boomerang. Oh, it's cloud.
Let's go, baby. Map. Alright, so let's just draw. Alright. Say this is like...
Or frame.
Let's go! Right, so then, right, so there's this. Right.
Or this. Or frame. Or
And there's the one with the tray.
Or calendar. Or gift.
Then there's like...
I see sandwich.
So I draw the...
I couldn't guess it.
Right, so foot.
Oh, I know. It's foot.
Let's go, baby! On the ice. Flip flops, okay, right. Oh no.
Or coaster. I see water slide. I see shoe. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
The weird drawings, I'd say this one's weird. Oopsies. Right, Great Wall of China. Oh, this is other people's drawings also. Okay, so that's what Great Wall of China. Okay, bridge. I guess you can. Right, stitches. Okay, that's fair enough. Right, anyway. Think we should go again? I think we should go again. Is this you? Okay, right. Let's draw. Cell phone.
I see hockey stick.
Wow.
Or potato.
Wow.
Oh, I know. It's
Let's
called.
go. Square.
Oh, I know. It's square.
Let's go, baby. I'm turning into a carrot. This one's simple.
Or B.
How
Or stitches.
is this?
Or power outlet. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
That's shocking. Now, how am I supposed to draw this? Gee, oh, I know.
I see circle. Melon. Or snorkel. Or I see garden hose. Or
That's...
horse. Or flamingo.
You can't draw.
I see duck. Sorry.
Panda.
I couldn't
Right,
guess
okay.
I see red.
Bleh.
Or
It's
circle.
got like all black.
Horseshoe.
I think it's got like legs.
Or duck.
Blow
Or bear.
tail.
Or dog. Or frog. Or cat. I
Ah!
see hedgehog. Sorry.
Canoe.
Guess it.
Canoe as
Oh,
in...
I know. It's canoe.
Oh, let's go. First try. Right. This is the one I'm mad at. Carrot. How'd you not get a carrot? Oh, how is that? Give up. Now let's go again. I'm gonna put this like. Right. Let's draw. Hockey puck.
I see lime. Or watermelon. Or hot dog. Or... Oh, I know. It's hockey puck.
Boom! Mug. Okay, right, sure. Doesn't I just like. And then.
This.
So close. He said car.
Or...
Right, let's just go.
Or food.
Big one.
Or soda can.
Come on. He said soda can and mug.
Yes.
Right, shark. Okay, I know how to draw shark.
I see lime.
Roar.
Or marker.
Roar.
Or bread.
Roar.
Or crocodile. Diving board. Or sleeping bag. Oh, it's shark.
Yes, he got it. Ladder, or like ladder like this.
Or slide. Or this. Fence. Or coaster. Or blade. Or pliers.
This is just like.
I see bridge.
Oh yeah, we should run like a triangle.
Yes.
Toothpaste, right? Okay.
I see ocean. Or stairs. Or anvil.
Like
Or marker.
Colgate.
Marine. Or boat. Oh.
Yes. Parrot. So we've got the simple.
Nose.
Right.
Or go. Or theory. Or based. I sleeping bag. Oh, it's parrot.
Yes. Right. What? So that's hockey puck. What on earth was this? Draw your mug. You do this. Right. We know why he wouldn't recognize this. Because you can guess it. That's a mug. Yeah, kind of. Right. I think we're gonna do one last one quickly. Right. Let's draw, baby. Rain.
I see nose. Or water. I see spoon. Or shovel. Or node. Or glass. I see confetti. Or camouflage. Oh, I know. It's rain.
He got it. The Mona Lisa. Oh, we're learning about India.
I see rainbow. Or swing set.
Isn't this it? It's got like decoration. Oh yeah.
Parachute.
Like
Or bones. Or broccoli.
come on.
I see map. Sorry.
Golf
I
club.
couldn't guess it.
Oh yes.
I see line. Or hockey stick. Or spring painting. Or water slide.
Right,
I
yes.
see marker. Or bell.
Yeah.
Or seesaw. Or clarinet.
Right.
I see peas.
Right, he didn't get that. Right.
I couldn't guess
A
it.
cat. Let's draw a cat.
I see circle.
That.
Potato. Or shoe. Or bird.
E.
Mouse.
Ah.
Or mouse. Or nose. Or sleeping bag.
Right. Oh, this is not a cat.
Sorry. I
Yoga.
couldn't guess it.
How? What? I can't exactly draw
I see
yoga.
line. I see toothbrush. Or fork. Or beach. Oh, it's yoga.
Yes. Right, guys, let's draw a car.
Toothbrush. Or dash.
So
I see your mouse. Or pickup truck. I see that. Sorry, I couldn't
Right,
miss.
anyway guys, so I do hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, basically I'll see you in the next one. And bye.